I took our existing, right, because we're gonna use our existing and modify it? Is that how, are you starting over?
I'm going to start all over again, and it's going to be on the new pricing sheet. If there's a big conflict and something's gonna cost you more, you tell me and I'll go with
Congratulations. Okay, this is me writing the deposit check for a Leopard 48 catamaran, brand new from the factory. So we're doing our initial options list, and then we'll sit with just catamarans, which is our aftermarket outfitter, who we will do a whole separate list that will add up to about 20% of the cost of the boat for all of the things that we'll do once the boat arrives in Florida. Okay, what's next? You did chilled water air conditioning?
Yeah, so the electric sheet winch.
Option B for 5,400. Electric main sheet winch.
Let's see, is it going to be converted?
I don't think it is.
So what are you doing when you're on anchor? You're not running your air conditioning.
He says that this global shore power is going to solve all your problems. I don't necessarily believe it, but I have to buy the shore power through them, and my option is 8 kW or 12 kW. So it's only $1,000 more, so I'm getting the 12 kW. When it gets here, by then you guys will know this system, how it works, because you'll have done several of the 50s.
Say, look at the size. Okay, you can hold a lot of beers in there.
A lot of beers. So I like this combination. I think, what is this one? You should tell us. You do this, and then it spins.
To square up. Our weight will be 1,000 pounds less, Bob, because I'm replacing all this with lithium. Lightweight. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Probably like most of your customers, we do a ton of research before we make a buying decision. And it's pretty easy. You go to a boat show and you get on every manufacturer. We knew we weren't going to custom build a boat, we wanted a production boat. And out of all the production boats, and we like them all, the Leopard with the forward cockpit, that was the original draw.
Yeah.
We looked at all the cats. We had chartered before, chartered Leopards before, chartered Lagoons,
Yeah.
chartered Fountain Pajots. And the forward cockpit was the #1 sale for us, and that's why we made the decision on the Leopard 48. Once you've had the forward cockpit, you're not going back.
Yeah.
Now on top of that, after owning the boat for 3 years now and doing all the maintenance ourselves and really immersing ourselves in the Leopard, we just think it is a fantastic built boat, fantastic engineering. We love that it has separate engine compartments. We love the electrical layout of the boat. We think it's really solidly built. So at this point, we wouldn't switch brands.
And the company support has been outstanding because we took delivery of the 48 and we left the United States like immediately. And the boat has not been back in the United States in 2 years.
Yeah.
And so Randy has had to fix things in remote locations. And anytime he calls or emails or needs a part, the Leopard company has been very supportive. So that's worth a lot.